In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from Jotform submissions. If you're managing collected data and submissions through Jotform, this tutorial will help you easily access and download audio files as uploaded by users. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can extract the audio without any hitches. First, let's access your form submissions. Begin by logging into your Jotform account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the My Forms section where all your forms are conveniently stored. Find the form you're interested in. This is the one where respondents may have uploaded audio files. Once you've identified it, click on Submissions. This action will open up the submission viewer specifically for that form, allowing you to see all the entries that have been submitted. With the submission viewer open, your next task is to locate the audio files you're interested in. As you scroll through the submissions, look for the File Upload field. This is where respondents would have uploaded their audio files. These uploads will appear as clickable links in the viewer, making them easy to identify. Once you find a file you want, click on the link. Clicking on it will initiate the download, allowing you to save the file directly onto your computer. Downloading the audio to your computer is straightforward, but here are a few tips to make the process seamless. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the download. Also, double-check the file format to confirm that it's compatible with your audio player. Typically, audio files uploaded through Jotform can be .mp3, .wav, or other common formats, but it's always good to verify this to avoid any unforeseen issues when you try to play them back. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted an audio file from a Jotform submission and downloaded it to your device. Remember, this process can be repeated for any form and any submission where audio files are present. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage and utilize audio data submitted through your forms. So, go ahead and explore the submissions you have. It's a fantastic way to maximize the usefulness of the responses you've gathered. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your Jotform submissions a breeze. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check additional resources for more detailed assistance. Until next time, happy form handling!